Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the measurement unit system in the Google Earth app on your phone. If you often switch between miles and kilometers, this video will make it easy for you to adjust the settings to your preferred unit system quickly and efficiently. First, open the Google Earth app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Settings. Then, scroll down through the Settings menu until you reach the section labeled Formats and Units. In this section, you will see an option called Unit System. Tap on this option, and you will be presented with two choices: metric or imperial. Finally, select the measurement system that suits your needs, either metric for kilometers or imperial for miles. The change will be applied immediately, and you can now view distances and measurements in Google Earth using your chosen system. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.